first VRF Design Tip of the month. Today we're focusing on a very common topic. Usually it's the first question we ask when contacted about a VRF job. Do we want to utilize a VRF system that is all heat, all cool, or do we want to utilize a system that can simultaneously heat and cool, otherwise known as heat recovery? It's very important to clarify this with your client because it impacts the entire project. Practically all VRF systems in the US are heat pumps, so it's just a matter of selecting which is the best fit between all heat, all cool, and heat recovery. One thing to keep in mind is just because a VRF system may have multiple terminal units doesn't mean you have mode control at each indoor unit. The most important thing to remember with the all heat, all cool systems is that all terminal units need to be in the same mode at the same time. In other words, there's no real auto changeover in these type of systems. These systems can be changed over from heating to cooling, but the actual flip of the system based on indoor set point can be problematic. These systems can basically be changed via two methods. One is picking a representative group and going with the mode that that indoor terminal unit is set on, or simply scheduling time of the year, time of the day. The long and the short of the all heat, all cool systems is you have to make sure there are minimal external influences on the load to influence the return air temperature. Typical applications for all heat, all cool systems include large areas with internal offices, backup heating and cooling systems, cooling only applications, smaller buildings that don't require simultaneously heating and cooling, and also systems that are varying load applications. If your client requires individual temperature control and individual mode control, then a heat recovery VRF system is the best solution. Additionally, what heat recovery gives you is a very efficient system due to energy sharing between zones that are heating and zones that are in cooling. Heat recovery systems make up about 70% of the US market due to application, comfort, and efficiency. These systems are designed to deliver heating and cooling to your client when and where they need it at the temperature required. And it is a truly automatic feature flipping between heating and cooling. The best applications for heat recovery are really any application that requires individual temperature control and mode control. And most commercial buildings, schools, hospitals, offices, high performance building. The first rule of VRF system design is to determine whether the client's application would be best suited for heat pump or heat pump with heat recovery. It's crucial to the system design and client satisfaction, but it can be confusing. If you got any questions, please give us a call. Thanks for listening.